Every morning brings another smile, another hand to hold, another child to comfort, another heart to hear I mend. Broken fences and quiet tears, I share my bread, my time, my hands. Seeing others find their smile has always been enough for me. May every child laugh without fear. May every soul find a place to call home. May every fire always have room for one more. If tomorrow brings another dawn, let love walk before my name. Sometimes I wonder how different our world could be if no child ever closed their eyes with an empty stomach. If every stranger was given the chance to become a friend, if every table always had room for one more, if every fire was shared with open hearts instead of fear. May no child ever go hungry. May every soul find a faithful friend. May every door open before it closes. If tomorrow brings another dawn, let kindness walk before our names. Sometimes when evening becomes quiet, I find myself dreaming of little homes filled with laughter, where every family has a place to belong, where no soul must carry its sorrow alone, where tired hearts find comfort before they lose their hope, where gentle hands always reach for another, and kindness becomes the language everyone understands. May every child know laughter before tears. May every heart find someone to call a friend. May every home be filled with love. May no soul ever walk alone. These are the wishes I carry every day, the dreams I quietly hold inside my heart. If tomorrow brings another sunrise, I will walk again. I will offer my hands where they are needed. I will share my smile where hope has faded. I will keep believing that every small kindness can change a life, because that is the way I choose to live. And still in silence finds me beneath the stars, I sometimes wonder if somewhere deep inside there is one little wish I have never allowed myself to follow. These are the wishes I carry for everyone around me. But perhaps one day I will discover the wish I carry for myself. Until then, I will keep walking this path. Until then, I will keep walking this path.